Friends, today explaining about the logo. Did you know what is the logo? It is a programming language. It means L for language, O for off, G for graphic, O for oriented. First we can see the logo screen. It has two main parts, graphic window and command window. Graphic window. We can draw that area. It has a turtle in the center. Turtle is the small triangle. It has two parts, top of its head and under the tail. We enter the command. Head can draw according to command. It like a pen. Command window. It is placed under the graphic window. Command window divide two parts. Command input box and command recall box. We use primitives for work logo screen. Primitives means command. FD forward, BK backward, LT left turn, RT right turn, ST short turtle, ST high turtle, CS clean screen. Let's start. We go to command box. Type primitives FD250. Press enter key in keyboard or click execute button in screen. Always we type command after press enter key or execute button. Now we follow that primitives. FD 250, RT 90, FD 400, RT 90, FD 250, RT 90, FD 400. Do you see the rectangle? Now I want to clean the screen. I give the CS command. Did you see the screen is clear now? I draw another drawing using new primitives. Home command. FD 250, RT 90, FD 250, home. We enter the home command. Turtle move directly start point. Now I enter CS command. Now I want to draw a circle. FD 1, RT 1, FD 1, RT 1, FD 1, RT 1. This command need to enter 360 times. It is very difficult. Now I using repeat command. How to it use? Repeat 360 times. Open the bracket. FD space 1 space RT space 1. Close the bracket. Enter. Yes, you can see the circle. Now we use BK command. RT 90. BK 200. LT 90. BK 100. Finally, I explain ST and ST primitives. We enter ST command, turtle will hide. After I enter ST command, did you see? This is the turtle. If you interest this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.